Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and I am back in the kitchen, and I'm doing an off video unboxing. I won't be seeing my ugly mug today, but you'll be seeing a very, very cool unboxing. Before I get started, as always, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, do you have any ideas for upcoming videos or something you'd like me to do an unboxing or review on, please feel free to reach out to me. MedievalSpawn01 on Instagram, JesseL.To on Facebook, and last but not least, MedievalSpawn@gmail.com. So let's get down to the nitty gritty and the unboxing. What are we unboxing here today? Today we are unboxing an item that I just recently purchased from Amazon. I had it sitting on a shelf because I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. It is the DinoFire PS4 dual charging dock for your PS4 remotes. I actually have right now a Venom Viper charging dock system, which is fantastic. I really dig it. It's got these hefty backpacks that go into the actual batteries to the remotes to actually make the contact points. The secondary one, if I remember right, started to go. It wasn't charging. The LED light wasn't coming up. My remote was dying on a regular basis. Kept having to switch the second player remote to the first player charging dock while I was using it, playing alone, so that when I played with my daughter and my wife, it would have a charge. So I decided to get my hands on this bad boy right here. It is normally $9.99 on Amazon. When I got it, it was actually part of the deal of the day. It was $8.40. And what I dig about this one is that the actual contact point slides into the charging port of the PS4 remote, which I'm going to grab one now so you can see it as well. And it is very flush to the body. It takes up less space. So let's go ahead, let's get to this unboxing and take a look and see what it comes with. Actually, before I go ahead and unbox this, I figured let me grab the remote, because I'm going to be using this to show you where it plugs in. But this is what came with the Venom Splitfire controller one. Yep, that's my PS4. Oh, there it went. It went flying off of the countertop. Did you see that? It just shot up, off, and onto the floor. Let me grab that bad boy before one of the dogs gets a hold of them so we see it in the video. But there it is. That's the actual contact point that goes plugged to your PS4 remote. As you can see, it hooks into the charging port right there, and then right here these metal points make the contact. But as I said, the second player remote, which is Bella and my wife's remote, is it's not charging properly. So that's why I went with the DinoFire. And yep, that's my PS4, because God forbid I leave anything the way it came out of a box. I've got to constantly modify my stuff. It's like the second shell that's been on my PS4 remote, the sticker right there, and even the back bar. But let's go ahead and move this off to one side and get to what we're here for. We are here for an unboxing of the DinoFire PS4 dual charging docks. So let me grab my trusty little knife right here. We're going to grab it, and we'll take a quick minute, do the usual, take a look at the boxing. It's funny, is on the Amazon site, it comes up as a DinoFire PS4 remote charging dock. It doesn't say DinoFire anywhere that I've been able to see. So it says 4 PS4 dual charging dock for PS4, P4, Slim, Pro. There's a picture of a traditional, what this remote actually used to look like when I first got it. The contact points, where the charging contact points, and the base itself. On the side, same thing, dual charging dock PS4, store and charger controller. Same picture that's on the front is on the back, but it also has a SKU and barcode from Amazon. Product features, which has adopt intelligent microcontrol technology control, circuit 90% transforming effectiveness, charge 2 PS4 controllers at the same time, structure and appearance is delicate, controller placement that is convenient. And then there we go. So let's go ahead back to what we were talking about. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy opened up and take a look and see what it comes with. So I'm going to pop it open from the bottom. Let's open this up right here. Now let's slide it on out. So interesting how tiny this box. Remember when I had the other one, it was just this big old massive box. But this is so slim, neat, and easy. So what do we got here? We've got a warranty card that it comes with. 3-year warranty, 45-day return, 75-day replacement. If you have any questions, please contact us with your order ID at support@DinoFire. Well, that's the first time I see it says DinoFire, best choice. And then it has here in the back end what I believe is possibly Korean or Chinese. My mother-in-law will be able to tell me. Let's put that warranty card off to one side, and let's see what we got here. So we've got the, oh, there we go. We've got in the little bag, we've got the USB cable, the micro USB cable, to go ahead and plug it into your PS4, and then into the base. And then this little bag, I'm not going to take them out just yet, but we've got the contact points. We've got 4 of them, to be exact, which is kind of cool that it comes with some extras in case you lose them or something, but it is very cool. I'm going to fish one of these guys out, so we can take a minute here before. Oh, it's actually sealed separately. Oh, at the bottom. Okay, cool. I'm thinking it's in the big bag, but it's actually sealed at the bottom of the smaller bag. Let's pop one of these guys out of here real quick. And boy, that plastic is durable. So let's get the knife here, and be careful, guys. Doing this at home, don't cut yourself. I'm gonna pray I don't hurt myself. Let's go ahead. Let's get one of these guys out real fast here. There we go. Let's bring this up to the camera. So it feels pretty solid, which is tripping me out for something so tiny and plastic. There's a side view. Get my hand out of the way. There we go. And there it is. There's a tip. So if we take the remote, turn it over, we'll see there is the charging port right there. This little guy just slides snug as a bug right into the remote. No fuss, no muss. Very low profile. I don't have that other big wonky piece. You know, if you notice, I think it even heated up some of the plastic at one point. It's just there, connected and going. Let's go ahead and move that off to one side. Let's go ahead and get this open here. A little bit of tape. Let's pop it open. Boom, boom, boom. And take a look. Oop, got a little piece of something. I'm going to move that right there so you can see it. What do we got here? We've got some very basic instructions. Product introduction, product features. So let's see, a dual charging dock control circuits through adopting intelligent microcontrol technology. There are two LED indicators. Structure and appearance are delicate. It's indispensable equipment to game players. Shows you what it comes with, which is the base, the cable, the 4 contact points. Product features that were on the side as well that we talked about. Low power dissipation, standby, save electricity, and is environmentally friendly. It has instructions on the back side, including the product parameters and adaptation information as well. Let's go ahead and take a look here. You're not going to admit, compared to the other one, it's like it says, it's a delicate look. It's very streamlined, very smooth, easy. It's not too complicated, not too busy. It does have a little clear film here. So I'm not going to rip that off right now. I'll mess with that later. But there you go. There's the two LEDs. Remote 1, remote 2 lets you know which one's connected. It even has numerical. Lets you know this is first pit is 1, the second pit is 2. And let's see how it fits with a PS4 remote. And if it's like a tough thing to get in. I would not hope so. I would hope not. I think, if I remember right, from the picture, boom. There you go, man. It doesn't even seem like it's tough. It just drops right in. It has very little wiggle to play with. So that's it, man. That's everything it comes with. I am going to go get this thing connected to my PS4 and make sure it's charging and have some fun with my games. That's everything that comes with the DinoFire PS4 dual charging dock. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have a great night.